Hi everyone, I am Bhavya from Natural Messy. Today we will make a deodorant from scratch using zinc oxide. This creamy deodorant stick has a smooth texture that moistures and provides long-lasting protection against body odor. Zinc oxide is a white, odorless mineral powder made from zinc and oxygen. It effectively controls body odor by inhibiting the growth of bacteria. Additionally, it is gentle and non-irritating on your skin and provides soothing effects. Plus, it helps absorb moisture and reduce wetness under the arms. We also use kaolin clay in our deodorant due to its anti-inflammatory and detoxifying properties. These properties help soothe the skin and eliminate impurities. They also absorb moisture and improve the deodorant's texture. We are making a batch of 60 grams today. Formulation method. We will begin by weighing 12 grams of shea butter, which deeply moisturizes and hydrates the skin. Next, 7.2 grams of beeswax helps blend all the ingredients smoothly and gives our deodorant a nice, solid texture. Adding 3 grams of citral alcohol gives the deodorant a lovely creamy consistency that feels great on the skin. And 24 grams of almond oil for deep moisturization. This lightweight oil absorbs quickly, leaving the skin soft and cozy without any greasy residue. Next, let's pop it into a hot water bath and let those ingredients melt together nicely. In the meantime, we will weigh our face bee ingredients. 4.8 grams of calendula oil provides a rich concentration of flavonoids and carotenoids, promoting skin healing and soothing. Next, we add 2.7 grams of zinc oxide, the active ingredient in our deodorant. 6 grams of kaolin clay for a silky smooth texture. After everything has completely melted, I will turn off the heat. While the mixture is still warm, I will add calendula oil, zinc oxide and kaolin clay. I will mix it thoroughly to ensure all the ingredients are well combined. Next, whip the mixture for 10 minutes using a mini hand whisk until it becomes creamy and smooth. After that, allow it to cool for a while. Meanwhile, we will prepare a blend for face E. Weigh 0.24 grams of vitamin E in a small bowl. It helps to keep butter and oils fresh and prevents oxidation. Next, add 0.06 grams of strawberry fragrance. You can also experiment with essential oils or other scents that you enjoy. After leaving it for 10 to 15 minutes, check the temperature before adding our cool down face ingredients. It should be below 60 degrees Celsius. We are now adding a blend of vitamin E and strawberry fragrance oil. It's time to pour our homemade deodorant into cute 1-ounce containers I got from Amazon. Now, I will leave it for 3 to 4 hours to solidify. If you want to speed up the process, place it in the fridge for 1 to 2 hours. After more than 4 hours, the deodorant sticks have solidified and are ready to use. For the application demo, I will try it on my skin. It feels incredibly soft and creamy. It's not greasy and it doesn't irritate. So here we go. We have just made a deodorant from scratch. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and check the description box below for the complete recipe. I will see you next time.